The days of constantly copy-pasting code, explaining your project state, and constantly reminding your AI what you were just working on are officially over. OpenAI has quietly unveiled a system that changes the fundamental relationship between you and your computer. It is called ChatGPT Chronicle, and it is an AI that literally watches your screen. This is not just basic screen recording. Chronicle is a persistent contextual memory system. It takes lightweight snapshots of your active workspace, extracts the text, the code, the tabs, and the apps you are using, and builds a highly searchable memory bank. Imagine an AI that never forgets a single detail of your workflow. It understands what you are doing, not just what you type into the chat box. This enables what they call zero-friction prompting. You no longer have to set the stage. You can just point to an error and say, "Fix this bug." And the AI already knows the entire context of your IDE, your recent web searches, and your Slack messages. Now, OpenAI building an AI with a photographic memory is incredible, but if you are just waiting for these tools to hit the mainstream, you are going to be left behind. The real wealth in the AI space right now is being made by the builders who know how to deploy these autonomous systems today, and that is exactly what we are doing inside the AI Money Forge. Our private community is the command center for serious AI entrepreneurs. We just dropped massive updates in the classroom, including a complete SOP on how to build your own AI with perfect memory using OpenClaw and Gemini. When you upgrade to VIP, you unlock the Forge arsenal. This is where I share my exact battle-tested agent blueprints, automations, and local tech stacks. Don't be an AI tourist. Learn how to build and monetize these systems right now. Click the first link in the description, join the Forge, grab your blueprints, and let's get back to the Chronicle breakdown. I know exactly what you are thinking. An AI watching my screen sounds like a massive privacy and security nightmare. But OpenAI built Chronicle with a privacy-first architecture. It is 100% opt-in, it features a 6-hour auto-delete for all screen captures, and absolutely zero of your screen data is used to train OpenAI's models. You maintain total control. When you scale this to an enterprise level, the productivity gains are staggering. Software developers can ship code without re-explaining context. Sales teams can close deals faster because the AI instantly recalls every single client email and CRM note. It supercharges every role in your business by eliminating workflow friction. Let's look at the actual research preview of this technology in action. Inside this desktop agent, AirJelly, the user asks if it remembers a specific person they were reading about who works at McKinsey. The AI instantly scans its cross-session memory and identifies Michael Chui based on a LinkedIn search the user did hours earlier. Then the user asks about a specific research document they opened. The AI doesn't guess. It pulls the exact ResearchGate paper on Millets and the surrounding context. Finally, the user asks, "What was I studying on YouTube?" The AI accesses the screen memory and lists the exact watch history, OBS studio tutorials, screen recording research, and quantum physics on Khan Academy. It has perfect cross-application recall. Now let's see how this visual memory integrates directly into heavy coding workflows with Codex. The user runs a build command in the terminal and it fails. Instead of copy-pasting the massive error log into ChatGPT, the user just types, "Why is this failing?" The AI uses the Chronicle skill to inspect the visible terminal screen, checks the recent repository memory, and pinpoints the exact line of code causing the Astro check error. It diagnoses visual state instantly. Next, the user asks the agent to sync with the latest docs draft changes and message Romain when you are done. The AI seamlessly cross-references the live screen context, finds the correct Google Doc draft you are looking at, updates the codebase, and autonomously sends a Slack DM to your coworker confirming the sync. It is orchestrating complex workflows across Docs, your IDE, and Slack completely autonomously. It even remembers your specific tool workflows. When asked to create an empty draft doc for a launch copy, the AI checks its memory for your naming conventions and folder locations, autonomously creates the new Google Doc, and hands you back the shareable link. And just when you thought it couldn't get any faster, OpenAI is teasing the massive leap between GPT 5.3 and the new GPT 5.5 Instant models. Look at the difference in response quality and formatting when asked a simple workplace question. The newer model is significantly more nuanced and context-aware, making these desktop agents even more powerful. With the full release of Codex, you can now import your entire environment setup, your tools, and your last 30 days of project history. In this final demo, the user simply asks Codex to run a doc review and deploy preview to finish a launch rollout. The AI, now powered by GPT 5.5, instantly pulls the draft, the recent notes, the open review threads, and executes the entire workflow seamlessly. We are entering the era of Codex for almost everything. Your computer is no longer just a tool. It is an active participant in your work. If you are ready to stop watching the future and start building it, get inside the AI Money Forge today. The link is in the description. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the Forge.